Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I already uploaded 4 videos on my YouTube channel. I think you should be check first. Still you didn't check. Today, day 5. Okay, we learn about Python functions. Okay, so first of all, what is a Python? What are the functions in Python? Okay, first definition. So a function is the reusable block of the code, okay, designed to perform a specific task. Function help make your code modular, organized and efficient. So we had like a type of functions. Okay, usually we have 4 types of functions in Python. So first is like built-in function. So built-in function means predefined functions like print, len, type, or like other function also. Okay, and second one is like user-defined functions. So function you define yourself. Okay, so last time we also described, and we in next like in this lecture we will be defined. Okay, then third one is lambda function. Lambda function is the anonymous single expression function. Okay, so it's like only write in a single line. Then fourth one is like recursive function that call themselves. Okay, like call ourselves themselves. Okay, now first we learn built-in functions. So Python provide many built-in function for common tasks like length, type, or like upper, lower, like so. Okay, so first I just give some example. So check built-in function. Okay, so print. I want to check length of any word. Okay, then suppose Harish. So you can see a 6 word, 6 length of this. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now second like a built-in function like type. Suppose I want to check integer type. Okay, 42. So you can see here it's showing like integer, plus integer. Okay, and one more built-in function like I want to print a comma in lowercase. Okay, and I want to become uppercase upper. So you can see here I just print and execute here. You can see it is uppercase. Okay, so there are different like a lot of different built-in function in Python. Now we learn user defined function. Okay, so you can create your own function using the def keywords. Okay, so like I will show you some like user defined functions like def function name here. Okay, function name, any function name, and here parameter. Okay, then we write your code here, and if you want to return something, you return value here. This is a sentence. Okay, a user defined function. So suppose I want to create a function which take 2 parameters and add them and return. Okay, so suppose I am just here giving function name like adding function. Okay, it's taking 2 parameter a and b, and here my code like I want to sum equals to a plus b and return sum, and this is my function, and here I want to print. I call adding function 2 like I give 20 and 30. So here result should be 50. You can see here answer is 50. If you want to, like I already told you now, like what is a basic aim of the functions. Function basically perform a specific task. So you can see your specific task like adding two values here, okay, and help make your code modular, organized, and efficient and reusable mode. Okay, so reusable means like I want to add 20 and 30. Now I want to add 120 and 330. Okay, so we can use same code, so it's like reusable. You can see the output is 450. Okay, I think you are understood what I'm saying. Okay, now we use key component of the function. Okay, so key components like I already told you, like dev. Okay, they first of all always function user defined function is like use dev, start with dev. Okay, and function name identify the functions. This is identify the functions. Parameter input the functions. This is also optional. Okay, now return statement output is the value. This is also optional. If you want to use, then you can use. Okay, then function with default parameter, like we can also set some default parameter, like you want to take 11 and b 22. Okay, if you now you can run and check here for 50 right here. Why? Because if we provide the parameters, then it take provide parameter, otherwise take by default parameter. By default parameter is this one and this one. Okay, so suppose I want to send only one. You can see here 352. Okay, it's take automatically a equals to 330 and b by default 22. Okay, now I show you a different example like this one. You can see here I'm getting name already here by default hello. Okay, and now I print the hello world. Okay, so you can see here hello world or hello Alice. Okay, so you can see I just called empty function, so it's all by default take hello world. Okay, now in second time I provide my own parameter, then it's showing our own parameter. Okay, I think you understood. Now function will be multiple parameter. I already show you how we can add the two parameters. Okay, so scope and lifetime of the variable, it is very important topic. Okay, so variable defined inside a function are local, so that function. Okay, so define like example x equals to 10 and like print. So you can see here I will show you. Example, okay. So you can see here 10. I run just example function and x equals to 10, then print x is 10. Now I want to print x in outside. So you can see here we got some error, x is not defined. Why? Because this function defined inside the function, this variable defined inside the function, right? So they live only in this function, not outside. So it's called the local variable. What? Local variable. This is local variable. Okay, now global variable. Global variable defines outside the function that can be accessed inside function using the global keyword. Okay, now you can see here this is x equals to 10 and define example. Okay, function global x. Now I want to change this value, add 15. Okay, so you can see here 15th. Okay, we can basically variables defined outside function can be accessed inside the function using global keyword. Okay, now fourth one is lambda function. Fourth one is lambda function. So lambda function is a small and anonymous function. Okay. So what is a sentence? So I will show you sentence here. Lambda function sentence like this one. Lambda, then arguments, and then expression here. Okay. So example I will show you. Go to VS Code here and I write this function. Okay. You can see square. Then lambda args, then args. This is variable and this variable keep power 2. Okay, so you can see here this is not this is the like we can consider as a function, and we can also use like only lambda this one. Okay, you can see here. I'll show you. This is lambda function. Okay, so I just show you here 5. Okay, so I show you this is a lambda function already in print. Okay, so we have we can use map function and filter with lambda. Okay, so this map and filter function is very useful. Okay, so in like in coming days we will be learn about the map or map or filters. Today I show you some example here only. So you can see here I have 4 numbers here in a list. I want to map this number. Okay, map means like 1 by 1 and square the number and take again list, create again list. Okay, second one is like take divide by 2 equals to 0. It means just filter out. Filter means I just apply filter. It is then true, then number, showing number. Okay, so you can see here first is like 1 4 9 16, 1 chi square, 2 chi square, 3 chi square and 4 chi square. Here I am just filter out if like number completely divide by 2, then that number show. So you can see 2 and 4 are divided by 2 completely. Okay, so there are map and filter function. Now recursive function called itself. Okay, so you can see you already know aware about like factorial. So I want to calculate factorial 5. So you can see I define a function factorial n. If n equals to 1, then return 1. Otherwise it's like you can see return n and again function name here, but n minus 1, like decrease by 1. So again call function this one. If like n become like n equals to 1, then it return 1. So you can see here is showing 120 here. Okay, so advanced concept also like in this. So in future, because this is like beginner level, in a few coming days I will show you, I will teach you args or kwargs function. Okay, a very useful in functions. Okay, second one is like decorator. I will be teach you in coming day. Okay, and anonymous function, annotation functions, sorry, function annotations. Right, annotation provide hint about the type of function inside the output. So I will be teach you this in coming days. Okay, so best practice for writing function, use descriptive names, like function names should be the descriptive what they do. Then keep function small. Each function should do one things. Okay, and use doc string, document your functions or avoid side effect. Okay, functions should avoid modification global variable. For real time we use like real time word application of the real world applications of the function, data processing, data development, or machine learning. We function train models and make prediction. Or in web development, like function handle request and response. Or data processing, function can be clean, process, and analyze the data. So challenge for you, I just show you here. Solve this problem. So write a function that take list of number as a input and return the sum of all the even numbers in the list. Okay, so you can see only even numbers. Okay, so that's all for this video. Today we explore everything about the Python function, from basic sentence, advanced concept like okay, and functions are the backbone of the Python programming. Okay, backbone for making your code reusable and efficient. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed, and please hit the bell icon so you will be get a notification in next time. Thank you.